Hold it, hold it. Nice and slow. You're clear on this side, keep rolling. Straps are secure. Check the tension on the 5th axle, please.
Looks good.
Bring it up slowly, watch the alignment on the far end. Copy that, increasing power now. Make sure the logs are aligned properly before the next bundle comes down the line. We can't afford another jam. This device measures the exact tension right here at the clamp. See the fluctuation when it rotates?
Yeah, I see it. Is that within the safety margin?
Watch your spacing. All right, she's down, all clear.
This trunk is heading for the primary breakdown saw. Watch the optimization scan on your tablet as it approaches the lasers.
We need to adjust the cut right here. Center it up. Yeah, center it up before it hits the next stage.
The cluster right there, that indicates internal defects.
All right, let's adjust the cutting pattern based on this data.
See the variation in the annual rings near the core.
That explains the readings we're getting from the scanners.
Look at the density here. Those rings suggest it's over 100 years old. We should cut it into quarter sawn.
Agreed. The quality is exceptional.
Bring it left, easy now. Clear on this side.
Check the alignment on sector 3. Looks good. The tolerances are within range. Keep it steady on your side.
All right, pushing now.
Watch the alignment.
The production data clearly shows the impact of the new conveyor system. We are hitting our targets ahead of schedule.
Check the beams on the 3rd level up. They need re-inspection before shipment.
Okay, let's get the forklift. I'm getting an inconsistent reading here.
Noted. The system is adjusting for the density. It checks out.
Make sure that's centered. Got it, pressing down now. Looks good from here.
Keep it steady on the left. Watch the clearance on the right side. Slow push forward. These levels are still too high on the far side. We need more pressure over there. All right, I'll increase the flow rate on unit 4.
Push on the left side, slowly now.
All right, it's moving. Check the alignment on sensor 3. The scanner is picking up some stress fractures near the center. Let's double check the density right there.
See the moisture reading here? It's too high for the premium grade, I'd say.
Yeah, the tablet confirms it. We need to reroute this one.
According to the screen, we're seeing a 5% increase in throughput since the last calibration. But look at this section. Check the depth right there. Got it. Adjusting the feeder rate now. The scanner's picking up a void right here. We should mark it.
Got it. Keep the speed steady for now.
See where it highlights on the screen? We have to match that depth exactly or the tolerances will be off.
Got it. Let's double check the 0 point.
Okay, easy now. Steady. That should do it.
Look at the tolerance right there on the edge.
Yeah, I see it. It looks perfect.
Keep an eye on the feed rate. Easy now, bring it down 5 centimeters.
Hold there, checking the alignment.
Looks good on section 4. We need 52 inches from the core.
The laser confirms the cut line.
Bring it down easy, easy.
All right, start hammering on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Lower it slowly, we're almost there.
A little to the left, center.
Okay, hold it right there.
The alignment here is critical. The laser shows we have a 2 millimeter deviation on the 4th truss.
Slow descent, watch your spacing. Clear on this end, coming down steady. See how the CNC router handles that crack? We need to monitor the depth.
Looks stable so far.
That's where we store the premium grade lumber. It requires a drier environment higher up.
I see. And the pine is kept down here.
Beam 40 is clear. Confirmed on the manifest, we are ready for loading.
Position confirmed and recorded.
Straps are tight. We're clear to move.
All right, keep it slow. Clear on this side, keep moving forward. Lower it slowly. To the left just a bit. All right, it's seated, we're good. Easy, easy. Bring her down slow.
Stop right there. See the gap on the right.
Okay, nudge it left. Good. Easy now, bring it down slow. Watch the left side.
Looks good here.
All right, grab the plank. All right, bring it down slowly. Easy now, watch the edge. Looks good from here.
Coming down into the joint now.
Steady, steady. A little to the right.
Perfect, hold it there.
Okay, the laser looks good from here. Yeah, alignment is spot on. All right, let's start the cleaning sequence.
If you look closely at the joinery on the left support beam, the alignment is slightly off.
Yes, I agree. We'll need to address that before sign-off.